In this video, we're going to talk about the Microsoft interview process for both technical and non-technical roles. My name is Kevin Wei, I'm a senior product manager, and I'm here to help you land your dream job in tech. The Microsoft interview process is a collaborative and friendly, yet challenging one. I've gotten an offer from Microsoft, and I've spoken with folks from other roles who have achieved the same. So let's talk about what the interview process typically looks like, as well as the type of questions you'll face. Before we dive into the Microsoft interview process, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. The Microsoft interview process typically has 3 steps. The first step is a recruiter screen. Here, you'll go through your resume and answer a few behavioral questions. The recruiter will want to get a sense of how curious and capable of learning you are. They also want to gauge your leadership abilities, problem-solving skills, team collaboration skills, and how well you hold up to pressure. If you're applying for a technical role, the recruiter might also ask technical questions, which might be data structures or algorithm-based. For example, they might ask a question on recursion and expect in-depth answers on the complexity of the algorithm. The second step is a phone interview. The phone interview typically happens with someone in the position that you're applying for. The recruiter will let you know which topics may be discussed and what's expected of you. So make sure you do your research on these topics. Microsoft expects its technical candidates to demonstrate deep technical knowledge. So be sure to recommend solutions, point out pros and cons, and defend your choices. And finally, the third step is the on-site. Microsoft's on-sites are now completely remote. This process consists of 4 to 5 interviews held on the same day. The interviews consist of behavioral questions for everyone and coding exercises for technical candidates. The interviews will get progressively harder with more senior and higher ranked interviewers. And after each round, interviewers will give you a higher or no hire rating. If you receive 3 no hires, your interview process may end there. But if all goes well, you'll get an as-app or as-appropriate interview. This takes place in the last 1 or 2 interviews in the on-site with the senior manager, who has the authority to veto your entire candidacy or extend you an offer. The as-app interviewer has access to all of your other interview results, and they decide what happens next. Some candidates receive offers during their as-app interviews, but it's also completely normal to get an offer a week or 2 later, which was my case. Now, let's talk about the types of questions you'll face. For all roles, you'll face behavioral questions. Here, the company wants to understand how you work with others. Examples include, why Microsoft? Tell me about the greatest success that you've had. Tell me about a time you had a conflict with someone. How'd you resolve it and what'd you learn? Describe a project that you failed on. For technical roles, you might get questions on coding or system design. These might go over data structures, distributed systems, and algorithms. Examples include, store a list of numbers as a single number. Design the backend of Spotify. Determine if an array from 1 to n has a duplicate using constant time and space. Print all the words from a dictionary that can be found on a given Boggle board. And for non-technical roles, you may encounter case questions. Examples include, what's your favorite product and why? Design a LinkedIn for blue-collar workers. How would you increase usage for Internet Explorer? And design a touchscreen tablet for a restaurant. Microsoft hires both entry-level and experienced professionals, and you can apply to more than one job at a time. Good luck with your interviews, and for more interview prep content, Exponent has the best resources to help you ace your interviews, including in-depth interview courses, private coaching, and a community of experts ready to help you prep for even the toughest questions. Hit that subscribe button for new videos every single week, and go to tryexponent.com to become a member today. Thanks for watching.